This is Eric Muathe, Muathe.com, with a very quick educational video. Let's take a look at markets here, and it is for April 23rd, 2020. We're going to be taking a look at some large cap tech stocks, and they all are breaking out in terms of price. Again, this is just a good example for us to study what happens down the road, see what we can learn from this. Right now, we're taking a look at three major tech names, and they are breaking out in price. There's no question about that. The price breakout is good in all of them. Right now, we are seeing the monthly charts showing very strong breakouts based on prior and recent monthly closing highs. For example, Amazon here is breaking out. The problem with all of this is the MACDs are not where they need to be. You can see here Amazon is not moving its MACD right now to 3-year highs. If we take a look at Netflix, we can see there is a price breakout. The price breakout looks good if you take the prior monthly closing highs. And again, the problem here is the monthly charts don't meet the minimum requirements. We can see again the MACDs are lagging as far as Netflix is concerned. And we can see that as far as Nvidia is concerned, as of right now, even with this price breakout, which look good, the problem here is yet again we see another large cap stock that is struggling, albeit Nvidia is close. This is not yet where it needs to be, but one of the MACDs is good. Right here. At that rate, that would be a good breakout. Problem again here, we can see that the RSI is not where it needs to. Close to 69.1, but not right there. In other words, what I'm saying here is let's see what happens or what the message is here, because we are seeing large cap stocks breaking out, but they don't meet the minimum requirements for the ultimate Muathe breakout. If you're new to this, I'm going to have some links in the description of the video that explain this method, or at least give you an introduction into the method. So now what we are going to see here in the coming months is if this is truly what is going to remain the case. In other words, we have large cap stocks with low quality breakouts. The message might be that this market still has some downside to contend with. Again, just an educational video. Let's see how things go. Peace and blessings. EACS.